Hi there, Babatunde Motal here. Welcome to the unboxing of Oraimo OSW 16 smartwatch. In this video, I'll be showing you the price, the battery capacity, specs, and other features of Oraimo OSW 16. And if you're new here, subscribe to this channel will be much appreciated. So let's get down to business. The price of OSW 16 here in Nigeria is 14,900 naira, equivalent to $31 US as of the time of posting this video. On the package comes its features such as the IPS color touchscreen, the IP68 water resistant, upgraded heart rate sensor, 13 training modes, 9.95mm slim body, anti-oil and fingerprint, activity and sleep monitor, Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, call and text notifications, music controls, pedometer, IML glossy black, calorie counter, stopwatch and timer counter. And at the back is the Oraimo ambassador, the Gbedu King, 2 Baba, with the OSW 16 smartwatch. There also you will find the specifications of Oraimo OSW 16 smartwatch. Now let's unbox this bad boy. Let's cut the caution seal. Wow, beautiful. This smartwatch looks like a polished black tourmaline with the word 1.69-inch curved screen imprinted on its pack. Let's come back to the watch later. The next item is a welcome guide, also known as the manual. It is written in 6 languages such as English, Hindu, French, Portuguese, Spanish, and Arabic. The next item is the 2-point magnetic USB charger. This you can use to charge up the smartwatch. And after these things, nothing more. So back to the watch. In design, it looks like the new Apple Watch Series 6, but the difference are the cuff glass and the knob. It has sticker on the face, and it has 2 removable straps that you can change if you wish. These straps are made of polycarbonate material which are extremely light yet durable. At the top of this Oraimo OSW 16 comes a serial number that is unique to your watch only, and the other ones, let me show you outside. Let's go outside. And at the back of this Oraimo smartwatch, you are going to find the model OSW 16 made in China, ROHS certification and CE with the FCCID number. And according to Oraimo, this is an upgraded sensor. Let's peel the sticker off and see its design. And this is a combination of Samsung and Apple, more of Apple rather, in this smartwatch, but all for a cheaper price. Thank you, Oraimo, for coming through for us this time. Taking the Oraimo OSW 11 and the Oraimo OSW 20 and comparing both to Oraimo OSW 16, I can tell you OSW 16 is the winner, and that is what I've fallen in love with because of the curved screen finishing. And if you are enjoying this video, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that I can get more of this. So let's continue. According to the welcome guide of Oraimo smartwatch, it says, for safety issue, the smartwatch remains low capacity during shipping. Please fully charge the smartwatch before initial use. And that's what we are going to do right now to check how long it's going to take to charge up, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Yeah, I'm back. It took 1 hour 23 minutes to be fully charged. Wow, that is long. Now let's put it into action. Let's verify some of these features we were told that this watch can do.
So we are connecting this Oraimo to our smartwatch now. So we click on our Choice Where To app and make sure our smartwatch is running. Because I have this smartwatch on my phone before, so I have to sync it up with this smartwatch. So I have to go to Devices and Unbind, Confirmed, Unbind successfully. Now I have to now select device. I say OK. And I pick the locations on the location for me and press the go back key and start to search for this very smartwatch. So let's give it some few minutes. As you can see, Oraimo smartwatch it's already locating it. So you just pick it and it will connect. Make sure it is closed. It will connect successfully. It says new firm hardware version detected. Go ahead and upgrade. You have to upgrade this so that you can enjoy this old stuff. So it's checking it, as you can see. It's checking it whether to update. Yes, I have to confirm. So you can see find new version, update or not. Click update. So you click update and confirm it to go to the latest version of this smartwatch. So once it updates everything, then you can easily sync this up permanently and this will be up and running. I think it's just down a bit. It's trying to sync up the firmware upgrade. Just wait a couple of minutes now, it will be on. As you can see, it's about 86, 80, 90 and 100. Boom, we are on it. Finish updating completed. So it's completed. You can see the smartwatch is up by itself. It's running as I upgraded it to 1743 and this is 543. So it is now on. As you can see, 543 and 543 here. So that means we are connected. Can you see that? Very, very easy. So you just go back and see the smartwatch is already 100% connected. So you can go for the app monitoring, which is auto. That is set already. You move back and you can check our smartwatch. You want to do the alarm clocking, you can go for that. Then you press your back key, just add it whatever you want to do to it. And universal settings, you can shake to take pictures. Shake it and it will have access to your pictures, as you can see from here. If I want to put this here, so if I just check it, it's going to picture it, as you can see, snapping. All right, so that is just it. You can see the picture up there going. So that's just it on how to snap picture with shaking. Take that off. Fine bracelet is vibrating right on my wrist. Is vibrating. So if I want to find it, maybe I misplaced the bracelet, and vice versa. If I want to do for the phone also, I can find it right from here. And also reminder, SMS reminder, you can allow this so it will turn a reminder to vibrate. When you receive a text message, it's going to vibrate, and that is, you can on that if you want that. And like me, I would love that. Like on screen and all stuff like that, you can say I'm getting messages. It's going to tell me that I have some messages. Once I set them on screen time, I can tell it, okay, if I want it to be 5 seconds, on screen, depending on how I want it. So for this tutorial, I'm taking 15 seconds. And if I want to set the time, I can set it to 12 hours, I can set it to 24 hours. That is, if I want it to be 12, 1, 2, 3 a.m. or p.m. And if I want to make it to be 13, 14, 15, it depends on the one that you want and the taste. That's just it on that. So you go back, and language, you just let it follow your system. Right here at the dice center, you can just go to dice setting to set it to the one that you want. Here you have the orishirishi. You can take this or this or this or whatever one that pleases you in this dice settings. You just have to download it.
If you desire the butterfly dial, so you can just click on it, let it download. Once it downloads completely, then it sync up and it will appear right on your smartwatch screen, and many much more smartwatch features that this smartphone actually offers. So in the coming weeks, I'll be comparing Oraimo OSW 16 to other Oraimo smartwatches that I've bought in the past and other smartwatches that have just done their unboxing. So please subscribe to this channel so that I can get these reviews and compare videos once they are up and running. I'm Babatunde Omotayo. See you on the next one. God bless you. Stay safe. Peace.